Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel. Alright, today I have something good to share with you. We're going to be unboxing something together. So we're going to be unboxing something together, and I think this camera is not. Let me take my camera stand up a bit. Okay, I think it's better this way. It's good. So guys, this is better. So guys, I have before me, let me show you. This is actually something that every content creator should have. Is it? You see it? So every content creator should have this. Like, this is making sense. And I want us to unbox this together. So let's unbox it together and see how this looks like. So the way you see it on the carton, that's exactly how it's going to look like. So the first thing is, let's open it. So here is it. That's how it looks like. So let me explain every part of it so you guys can understand how it works. Okay, so we have the, let me start from this. Here is the pistol grip tripod. This one here for pistol grip tripod, and this is how it's, this red part, you have to click it, and once you press down the red part, this side and this side, you get it now. So you press it down, the two sides, you press it down, and you can be able to move this. So and the next one you have here, you can see this also. So you're going to open this and open this. So these three are where you're going to place on your table. Okay, so then this one will be this way, like it's going to be this way. So that's what it. So the next one here is our mic. There's a mic here that comes with it. This mic is not wireless though. This mic comes with it. You get it now. So can we test it? Let's test it and see. So if I connect the mic here. Hello guys, how you doing today? You could see the difference. All right, hear the difference. The difference is clear. This one has a way of filtering your voice and filtering sound noise on the background noise out of your video. So I'm giving you a very good and clear sound. So the next happen to be the smartphone mount. Like this one is kind of spring. There's a spring there. You can think like enlarge it. If you pull it to enlarge, increase the size. So where your phone is, like you holding what holds your phone. So it helps you to hold your phone. And another one here I have with me is this. This is very powerful. This is the flat. So it's just the normal battery. This battery, it's used 1.5 volts. So I'm putting the battery now. Then you cover it, close it back. Then you can see now. So there is a button behind where you click. There's a button here. So you click this button, just press it down. The light will turn on. You can see it now. How do you see it? So if you want to increase, it has increase, it has decrease. So if you want to increase, press it again. See it now. So this is the highest. So you see with this now you can make a video. See how the brightness looks like. So that's for that. So I want to stop it. Lastly, I have what I call a remote. This is a remote, like it's very small. It's very small. So with this remote you can control the camera. Probably you don't have to always touch your phone or your camera. Like you control it from here. Okay. So let us assemble it together and we see the final outcome of it. To assemble this, you have this. This one should be fixed first. So you are trying to assemble it. So just take it to the direction where you want it to be. Okay. So it is already gripped this way. It's firm. You can see it now. It's firm this way. So you have this now. The next one you want to do is this. maybe this no, this, which is your flash. Okay, lighting or flash any. So this one here, there is a kind of hook here. So you just put it this way, hook it there. So now if you look at it very well, it is not grip friendly. So what you just do is to use this. There is a control here, kind of not how to grip it friendly. So just use that. Using this one now, you can see you can't just pull off easily. So you get that now. So you see it's making sense. So the next one here is our mic. This here is our mic. So the mic also, there is also a port here where we can fix this. So this will come this way and we can control. They'll just tighten up this so it will be strong there. So guys, and this is how to do this. So the next thing you want to do is to take your phone. Okay, take your phone and you know, put your phone based on the size. You increase this and put your phone last scan. So once your phone is there, and another thing you want to do again is to connect this to your what, to your phone. Connect this to your phone, then the mic can be what, can be active. All right, so this is just how to do this. Now another benefit, like if you are getting this, another thing why you need to get something like this is for those of us that do filming. If you want to film outside, not necessarily indoor filming, like you want to film outside, so you could just close this and close this. So you hold this way. You get it now. Now if you are holding it this way, then this has to be, you get it now. So you can see it now. So you hold it this way and you're filming. So in that case, this, your flashlight, since you are not filming yourself, not selfie this time around, you're filming somebody else. So your flash has to be taking this way. Sorry, you have to position it this way so that it will focus on where you are trying to film. So if you can see it now, this is how to do it, and this one will go to the phone. That's just that. It's as simple as that, guys. So you can see that this thing is very simple. So if you are interested in getting this, let me turn on the light. You can see it. This is the highest. So this is the highest. You see, this is the highest. So this is the highest. You can see how bright it is. When you decrease it, it has increased. This is the highest. I'll decrease it now. This is the next increase, and this is the highest increase. This is very bright, guy. This is how it looks like here. Alright, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please drop a comment and like and share. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. If you want to get something like this, now be careful. There are two types. There is the one that is sold for 10,000 naira. That is if you are in Nigeria, 10,000 naira. I think that should be maybe $13 or thereabout, according to dollar increase. So there's the one sold for 10,000, and there's another one sold for 15,000 naira. This is the original one of it, sold for 15,000 naira. So very well, because don't just, because I understand people will always want to go for something very cheaper. You get it now, something very cheap. So while you are going for something cheap, also consider the quality. So guys, I think this is all for this unboxing. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. If you like this video, share, comment, like, and just to subscribe. Thank you very much. I love you guys.